Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I choose very different topic to discuss with you because we have always in our homes benzene, formaldehyde, xylene and toluene. These pollutants comes from the polish of furniture, paints and dishwashers and many detergents. First of all, I will try to share some history about this topic. In 1980, an American scientist, Dr. Bill Wolverton, conducted an interesting experiment on it. He enclosed a couple of his houseplants in a gas chamber. His main objective was just to see that if these plants could remove any pollutant from the air. And it also likes just indirect bright light. In my list of these house plants, the second number is aloe vera plant. You all know it about aloe vera plant, that is best medicinal plant. You all know about it that aloe vera plant is the best in treating too much allergies. It's used in many diseases and a cure of many allergies and skin problems. It's also used in many medicines. It's best house plant and air purifier and oxygen releaser. It's very easy to grow and easy to care house plant, and it requires no much care. Just don't overwater it, and it will stay with you very easily and purify your home. It's best plant, best house plant and indoor plant. It's edible. You can also eat it to make too many dishes. So just water it after drying its soil just in a week or in 2 weeks, and avoid over caring of this because it's dislike too much care. And we often just end up killing plants by over caring of them. So just ignore this to bring it home and water it just after 15 to 20 days, and don't give any type of fertilizers or too much care or too much touching. It dislikes these all things. It will be completely fine, and put it in bright indirect light, not indirect sun. Bright sun will burn its leaves and make it yellow, and it looks will be not so much beautiful. Or this beautiful aloe vera plant is the best house plant, indoor plant and oxygen releaser and air purifier too. So bring it in your home and make your house air purify, and also decorate with this stylish and beautiful pulpy plant. The plant in our list of air purifier plant is the snake plant. It's beautiful and easy to grow, best air purifier plant. Plant is the best house plant and can easily survive in all type of conditions, in all type of pots. Just avoid to overwater it. Water it just after 15 to 20 days. It dislikes too much water because it also have too much water in its leaves. So avoid to overwater. And just keep this beautiful plant in bright indirect light, not indirect sun. So bring in your homes this beautiful, stylish and air purifier and easy to grow, easy to maintain and less demanding plant. Snake plant removes formaldehyde, benzene and trichloroethylene, xylene and toluene from our air. You know, these all gases and chemicals are very much harmful for our health, and these all are found in indoor, in our furniture and polish of the furniture, and in many type of soaps and liquids. These all things, these all gases and chemicals and are found. So this plant will remove into our air these things. We can make our home air purifier with these plants and decorate our homes with these stylish looks. The fourth number of these house plants and indoor and air purifier plants is very beautiful and very graceful palm plant. You know, palm has too many numerous varieties, and all varieties are so much beautiful and graceful. This beautiful plant is not just graceful in its look but also have a lot of properties. And first, the best its benefit is this, that it's air purifier and oxygen releaser. This beautiful houseplant is very unique in its beauty and its look, and we can find it easily. It's available in nurseries from huge size to tiny size, and it's so much stylish plant. And this stylish plant just not only decorate our houses but also removes two very harmful and bad toxic, first formaldehyde and second benzene. So bring it in your homes and make your houses beautiful, enhance the beauty of your houses and make them air purify. At fifth number in our list of house plants which are not just air purify but also too much beautiful is the Schefflera arboricola. Look, it's beautiful house plant. It's also called umbrella tree. Its leaves look like umbrella, one stem and this bunch of leaves give it a beautiful look of umbrella, so it's also called umbrella tree. It's not just beautiful and easy to grow and very stylish plant, but also very best house plant and air purifier plant. It's an ornamental and perennial plant. It air purifies our houses and just not only oxygen release, it absorbs all type of gases and chemicals and harmful toxin into air and make our air purify. So it not just only oxygen releaser but also absorb all type of harmful gases from the air. It's best air purifier and oxygen releaser plant. So Schefflera arboricola is also best air purifier and oxygen releaser plant. On 6th number in our list of air purifier plant is the Dracaena. Dracaena has also too many varieties, Dracaena marginata, Dracaena reflexia. I have this Dracaena marginata. So it's best house plant, just don't overwater it and keep it in bright in direct light. It will give you the best response and make your houses beautiful and stylish, make you healthy, provide you healthy air. Okay. And on 6th number is the Syngonium, the beautiful arrowhead or Syngonium plant. Look, its leaves, so much beautiful leaves, ornamental look, perennial plant. It also release oxygen and remove all type of toxins from our air. It's best indoor and house plant. It removes toxins from our air and purify the air of our houses. At on 7th number is the money plant. You know, it's beautiful and available in all type of houses, all type of places. Indoor plant, money plant is the best air purifier and oxygen releaser. Just don't overwater it and mist its leaves. It will give you the good response and make your houses purify, air purify and decorate your houses. And on 8th number is the Starlight Ficus. Starlight Ficus is also a beautiful indoor house plant. It also release oxygen and absorb all type of toxins from the air. It's best indoor house plant and beautiful. It's a variety of rubber plants. Look, its leaves are also like rubber. Rubber plants leaves too much thick leaves. It requires don't too much care, just require indirect bright sunlight and too much less water. I hope you will like my video, and you will like all this type of knowledge, and you will get the benefits of this knowledge, and bring the all type of these indoor house plants in your houses, and make the air of your houses purify from all type of toxins and chemicals and gases with these beautiful indoor house plants. And subscribe my channel and like my video, and see you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.